Welcome to Zukkun Knows. What if I told you that some people eat cats, or dolphins, or people? In today's episode, we're going to explore 10 real animals that humans around the world eat. Some shocking, some normal, and some downright controversial. Let's dig in. 1. Guinea pig, the delicacy of the Andes. In countries like Peru, Ecuador, and Bolivia, guinea pigs, called cuy, are not pets but prized dishes. They've been eaten for centuries, often roasted whole for special occasions. To Western eyes, it may seem cruel, but in the Andes, it's tradition. 2. Dog, a companion or cuisine. In parts of South Korea, China, and Vietnam, dog meat has long been a cultural delicacy. It's believed to bring warmth or health benefits, but growing global pressure and internal activism are changing this practice, especially among younger generations. Still, it remains one of the most controversial animal-based traditions in the world. 3. Cat, taboo but not unheard of. Yes, even cats are eaten in some regions. In parts of southern China and historically in parts of Europe during wartime, cats have appeared on menus. It's extremely rare today, but it reminds us how survival, culture, and history shape what we call food. 4. Horse, power on the plate. In France, Japan, Kazakhstan, and parts of Canada, horse meat is consumed regularly. It's lean, rich in protein, and has a surprisingly tender flavor. To some, eating horse is no different than eating beef. To others, it's unthinkable. 5. Frog, amphibian appetizers. Frog legs are considered a delicacy in France, China, and many Southeast Asian countries. Crispy on the outside, tender inside, they're said to taste like chicken. The frog is small, but its culinary reach is global. 6. Snake, a slithering snack. In China, Thailand, and even parts of the southern U.S., snake meat is eaten for its supposed medicinal benefits. It's high in protein and low in fat. Python soup, cobra wine, there's a whole culinary world for the brave. 7. Insects, future food. Over 2 billion people worldwide eat insects regularly. Crickets, beetles, larvae, they're packed with protein and require fewer resources than livestock. Insects are being promoted as a sustainable solution to world hunger. Still grossed out? Maybe it's time to evolve. 8. Whale. Between culture and controversy, countries like Japan, Norway, and Iceland still hunt whales, citing tradition and sustainability. Whale meat is fatty, dense, and often polarizing. While international criticism grows, locals defend it as cultural heritage. It's one of the most heated food debates on the planet. 9. Octopus, the ethical dilemma. Octopuses are eaten worldwide, in Japan, Spain, Korea, and beyond. But here's the twist. They're incredibly intelligent. They solve puzzles, recognize faces, and even escape aquariums. Eating them poses an ethical question. If it's this smart, should we? 10. Human. Yes, really, throughout history, cannibalism has occurred in many forms. Ritualistic, some Pacific Island cultures. Survival-based, like the Donner Party in 1840s America. Criminal, serial killers like Jeffrey Dahmer. Even today, cases exist in extreme conditions. It's the ultimate taboo, but also a reminder that food is more about context than we'd like to admit. Thanks for watching Zukkun Knows. Next time you sit down for a meal, remember, what's strange to you might be normal somewhere else, and what's normal to you might shock the rest of the world. If that made you think twice, don't forget to subscribe.